Installing a carrier board. Hold the carrier board and align it with the guide pins on the tray, and then install the carrier board on the tray. Push the carrier board towards the GPU board to connect it to the GPU board. Insert the GPU board retention clips into the slots on the carrier board. Push the GPU board handle toward the GPU board and press it down to lock the carrier board in place. Install the two standoffs to the carrier board. Install the network board. Install the water loop. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover.